Hey, this is Marco. In this video I'm going to talk about how you can easily fix EAFC 25 beta if it's not working for you. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So, basically, the EAFC beta is finally live, but kind of. So the first proper test for EA's newest soccer sim has already fallen a couple of early goals behind due to difficulties with the beta, so let's see if it can be fixed. So, the initial beta is first exposure to EA25 and we want to play it. Now, can you actually fix it? Well, people have complained to EA and then gave us some sort of answer, but in short, at the moment the beta isn't working and there isn't a way to fix it. So like, despite endless complaints from eligible players, EA has yet to respond to the ongoing issues. And that's pretty much it. You can't do anything, like. Then yeah, thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment,